So guys, this is the last shop we had to go into for the day because it was already too late. But this guy, we've been purchasing wristwatches from him, and his wristwatches are really nice. So after purchasing, we had to go pick up our stuff where we dropped it at the clothes vendor's shop, and from there we went straight home. These are my sisters and myself walking down to the bus station where we'll get a bus back home, as it was already way too late. Like, it was getting too late, actually, considering the traffic, usual evening traffic in Lagos. So here we already got into the street and we decided to visit the shopping mall, the supermarket rather. We decided to visit the supermarket, get some stuffs before heading home straight. So let's go in and pick a few little scarves.
Oh, you bring me joy. Don't think that I never know when a hard day makes your light go in. When there's a missing spark, I still feel you shine, shine. So when you need to rest in the shade, just take your time, 'cause you still bring me joy.
So we had to pick a few things. My sisters had picked what they needed. They both needed juice, while I've been craving for Vitamilk, which I picked. I picked the strawberry, and then from there we picked a few other things that we could reserve against the next day or so. Picked some breads, and then we went straight to the counter, made payment. So here we're done, and then we're waiting for our turn so we could pay and leave.
Oh, you bring me joy. Don't think that I'll never know. A hard day makes a light go in. When there's a missing spark, I still feel you shine, shine. When you need to rest in the shade, just take your time, 'cause you still bring me joy.
Yeah, we're already leaving.
Bring me joy, joy, joy.
And this is myself and my siblings back home. It was indeed a hectic day, guys. Now you can see why I said I pied. Why I said I pied 50 birds with one single stone in a day. Okay, so after this, just have to unpack and unpack after that. So guys, I've long missed this, how it feels to wear Christmas clothes for so long. Adulthood no be cherewere matter. Don't be child's play. So this year, I decided I must wear Christmas clothes. Waiting the occur, I beg, waiting the occur. I don't understand. So these are a few clothes we bought for ourselves and then our mommy. But mommy's own are not here. These ones are mine, actually. And most importantly, we got some good hairs. We got good hairs from Possible, and I'll show you guys how I make them just in a few days. I'm gonna read the 3 hairs we got, and I hope you love it.
Joy, joy. Oh, you bring me joy, joy.
Why don't you do your much? That's
Oh, yes, you bring me joy, joy, joy.
Let me focus. Guys, we have some Frosty Bites strawberry flavored ice cream.
Don't think that I never know.
Popsicle.
Hard day makes your life
We
go.
have these
When there's a missing
fresh
spark,
carrot, pineapple, orange, and
still
ginger
feel
drink.
you
All in one.
shine,
Shape
shine.
well.
So when you need to rest in the shade, just take your time, 'cause you
And we have pineapple and ginger
bring
drink. Nah,
me
drink
joy.
makes sense.
Oh, you bring me joy, joy,
Vanilla flavor.
joy.